Hi, Carlden Lainfiesta, the Mortgage Fiesta with Monarch Mortgage here, talking to you about a new product, no income docs loan. So, for those of you who may have trouble with your income, but you need a loan, we have a product for you. No income docs required. Let me repeat, no income docs required, meaning no pay stubs, no W-2s, no tax returns. So what do you need? You need to have at least 20% down on the property if you're purchasing, or 20% in equity, at least a 640 credit score or up, and reserves. If you have a 740 and up, you need 3 months of reserves. If you have a 640, you need 18 months of reserves. So between 3 and 18 months of reserves. But if you have those three things, a property with at least 20% equity, you have your reserves, and you have at least a 640 and up credit score, we do not need income documentation to do a loan for you. Carlden Lainfiesta, the Mortgage Fiesta, helping you with home ownership. Thank you.